We'll guide you through how to change camera size in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because camera settings in Blender directly affect how a scene looks and feels. Beginners often struggle to control framing, perspective, and scale, which are essential for good visuals. Understanding camera size helps them create more professional renders, animations, and compositions, making their work look more realistic and visually appealing. To change the camera size in Blender, begin by opening the Blender software on your computer. Once the program is running, load your existing project file or create a new scene if you want to start fresh. After that, make sure that a camera already exists in your scene. If there is no camera, press Shift+A on your keyboard and add a camera from the menu. Next, select the camera by clicking on it directly in the viewport so it becomes active. Then press Numpad 0 to switch your view to the camera perspective. After entering camera view, press the N key to open the right side panel in the viewport. In that panel, go to the View tab to access additional viewing options. Enable the Lock Camera to View option if you want to adjust the camera visually by moving your viewport. Once this is enabled, move your view using Pan, Zoom, or Rotate controls to frame your scene as desired. As you do this, the camera will follow your adjustments automatically, making it easier to compose your shot. Alternatively, you can adjust the camera settings more precisely by going to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the camera icon to open the camera properties settings. In this section, find the lens area where you can control how the camera views the scene. Adjust the focal length value, measured in millimeters, to change the camera size effect. Lower values, such as 18 millimeters, will create a wider field of view, while higher values, such as 85 millimeters, will zoom in and produce a narrower perspective. You can also switch the lens type to orthographic if you need a non-perspective view. When using orthographic mode, adjust the orthographic scale to control the apparent size of the camera view. Finally, fine-tune the camera position by selecting it and pressing G to move or R to rotate it.